Hi everyone, I'm back with another video of the series playing and analyzing. And today also, as usual, I will play a 10 plus 5 rapid match and comment on my moves and my opponent moves and comment on analyze both my opponent's position at the same time. So let's go 10 plus 5 rapid. We will go. My previous video was a very strange one. I was a little distracted and but means it was strange. That game, I haven't played any game like that yet. My previous game. So he started with e4. We will go reply e5 and let me make the board more visible and clear. Now it's good. I think so. Okay, so he has gone for d4. Controlling the center, he opened it, so we will just basically take, and now if he takes with the pawn we will develop our knight with tempo, so means he takes with the queen. We will develop our knight and attack on his queen, and it's called developing with tempo. Then he has to move his queen and we are developed. Then we can develop our knight here, but then this move can also come. He can play any gambit also, I think. No, he didn't play it. Okay, so he went there, developing his knight and attacking or on this pawn. And if we go there, then he will simply take. If then we take, then he will take this. We are a pawn of an. Basically, we don't specifically need to keep that pawn. We can simply develop our pieces, or we can make um move like this, but it will block our bishop. I think I should go for there. I want to develop my knight here, but then this move will be coming can come up with which can attack my knight. So I have to push this pawn forward, preventing this move. So, then if I push it now, my bishop will get blocked. It will not get developed, and he will take this pawn. So I think I will go there and defending this pawn. He can take. Then I will take. Then he will take. Uh, but then I will develop my knight. Then he has to go. And basically, the opening principle is to develop, control the center, and no unnecessary pawn moves. Uh, so he also developed his piece. Now let's develop our knight. Okay, he is giving one more pawn. Should I take it? Should I not? I will take it. It's sort of a gambit, a Danish gambit. I don't know. Okay, he went there. Sacking his piece. His next move could be this. If I don't take, then it's basically not good. I think this move is expected from him. I think so. Okay, this check. Getting the mm, bishop back. Okay, it's good. Now I will not go ahead. He has more attacking option. I cannot go there, though. This possibility is not there. I can go these three places. If I go there, then he will just take, and he will get a tempo because it will be a check. And here also, so let me come back. I think so. This move can come up. He's good. I shouldn't have gone for that pawn up. I thought so because now he's attacking, and that too with the tempo. Not with tempo means you can see his pieces is attacking. I don't know. Let's go for this pawn move. Let's go now. He will take. I think so. Yeah, he took it. Now let's block his area and develop our bishop. He doesn't have any check. We have checked it and give some space to our queen also. This move could have came up. Okay, he took that pawn also. Nice. I could have taken that pawn, this one, but then he would have taken, and then this would be very good diagonal for him. I don't want to be now a pawn up if we say. He has a good attacking. I broke the principles, opening principles, and now he's attacking on my rook. I need to defend it. This move can come up. Yeah, I was thinking this only. Now I have to protect my. Oh, yeah. I have to get out of this pin. This one. This move can not come up because I can take simply by both the pieces. Yeah, this pawn push would not be there. Okay. Now let's get to. I can basically take this. No, I cannot. Sorry. What can I do? The position is bad for me. I went for that pawn up. I got a little greedy. Yeah, this I took, and means it made me unstable. Okay, it was expected this move. Mm, let's go here. No, no, no. I thought that if he takes, then I will take it, and it will be a checkmate. But this piece is protected by two defenders. I need to get this pin over. So let's go there with our queen. Or there? No, then if I go there, then also this pin will be there. One more. I can go ahead, but he has attacking options. Let's go there. If he takes, then it will be good for me. I think so. No, not good. He's better. Um. Now I was attacking on this pawn, and he defended. Let's go there or there with a bishop. I want to keep my king here, so I will not get my bishop there. Here I will cannot go. I can go, but I won't. And here also these three possibilities are gone. Now from here and here, where should I go? I think they're probably getting my two pieces there. Yeah, he can take my knight, but he's not taking. Hmm, nice. It's better for him, obviously. His king is safe, and that's if your king is safe, um, you cannot be get checkmated for a while. I think so, and my king is not safe. If I could have even castle in at this position, then it would be also good. But now I think I will go there with my king and bringing my other rook into the game because I don't want to go like go there then go with the king and move waste move. He went there because I was attacking with my these two pieces here. But I think if I would be white, I wouldn't have gone that because I would have given one pawn for a open file. It would be great, but it's also good defending your pawn. Now let's go there. Ooh. Let's go there. Yeah, he's not taking my knight. Nor I am moving it. Okay, he brought his other rook into the game, in the game, and not into. Yes, should I go with my... Should I also bring it? Let's bring it, I think so. I think I should go there and probably... No, if I go there then he will just take it. I was thinking I go there and then do this pawn push saying if you want to take or go back somewhere, and if you go there I will go that pawn push. But the moment I go there he will just simply take with his queen or with his bishop, because then if I will take then he will take it back and I don't have one more defender to it, so I can't go. Let's get to my other rook in the game. My king is also safe, but not the safest. I think so. That's a thing. Yeah. Okay, he went there probably going getting this open file for his rook and going there. I think I need to take one of his knights with my this bishop and get to open the game a little bit. Like, yeah, let's go there. If he do this pawn push, I take. He take, then I will take this pawn and double attack on both of the pieces, and it's difficult to prevent it. Then he has to go there basically. Yeah, I don't think he will make this pawn move. It's not. I think he can take now. Take, 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 take. Then it will be good. Not so bad. I got too greedy in the opening. Yeah. He cannot move his knight, or can he? No, I think because of this pin. Some tactics. He can't go there attacking my queen. Simply take. Okay, he went there with his knight, giving a defender to it. This pawn and this knight also. If I take, will he take with the pawn or with the knight? I think with the knight. If he takes, then it will be good for me. I think he should take with the pawn. We will, after the match, we will analyze it and see. Because if we take with the pawn, then this pawn will be get a supporter. If he takes with the, your king will be a weaken a little bit, but if he takes with the knight, then I will take that pawn. Yeah. Okay, he takes it. Now let's take it. Now double attack and take that. I think take that bishop also and simplify the game. I'm a pawn up, or probably go there. This push. Probably get my knight here and this supporting the pawns and this knight. It will be good. Is there any counterplay? It's a lot of, but I think he has to go there. Okay, he went there giving. Okay, I cannot. Okay, if I take also, then he will take simply, na. So that's a case. Hmm. How do I defend my knight? I can't do this pawn move because then he will simply capture. After capturing, he will capture back. He will get a good attack, and I will not get the pawn up once more. Oh, what should I do? I want to trade my pieces. I think so. Go there, attacking his queen. No, I don't think it's so good. It can be good. Should I take the bishop or I don't want to give my knight. Give a protector by coming here? No, I don't think that's a good idea. Or is it? Yeah, let's come here. Let's go on full on attack. I think so. The position is a little bit complex. I don't know if it's a good move or not. I don't want to get much time pressure as one of my earlier game. So I made this move. I think there's some move which I missed. Or didn't I? Did I or didn't? I don't know. This move can come up. Attacking my queen, then I will take this pawn, this, and he will take my knight. Yeah, I think so. This move can come up. If this move comes up, then I can go there also. Yeah. I'm a pawn up, but the position is complicated a little bit. My king is also safe, not so much, but it can get more safer. There. Okay, he gave away a. He's giving away his piece. I take. Then if he takes, then I will simply take it. I take. He takes my queen. I take with the rook. It's good. I'm a piece up. Greedy in the opening, but I think I can be a piece up here. Yeah. Let's see. He takes my knight or my queen. Okay, he can't take my knight because then I will take his queen. Yeah. So he has to take my queen or get his queen back. He can take this also. Then I take this and he takes this. So it's a good option. It's a good option. I think so. Okay, he takes it. And now let's take this. And if he takes my rook, I will take it back. If he takes this, I will take it. If he takes this, I will take it. Simple. Oh, I should have taken that with a check. At there, I should have taken this, I think so. With a check, take, then I should take. No, I don't know. Okay, he attacked my this. Let's go there, attacking, full on attack. Wow. Where should I go? Should I go with the. No, if I go there, then he takes, I take, then this pawn, this pawn move forks it, and like a, I don't know what's a pawn. Then and my knight will be also pinned, so it's not good. Let's move my rook. Sorry, rook. I say king. Here or here? Not here. I think here. I think this is winning now. I think so. Bring my knight here. Okay, if I bring, then this move will come up. If I bring my knight here, then this move, and I am gone. Let's come here. Probably going for the 7th rank. Then go there. Okay, then I can go there and try to do this fork. If he makes this pawn move, this, yeah, that's great for me. This endgame is winning. I want to exchange my rooks and then I will win. I think so. I got a passer. Okay, he resigned. He resigned it. I was thinking that if he makes any pawn move, I will go there, and then if he makes, I will do this fork. This game was also simple, but I was a little greedy in the opening. That's the case with this game. Now let's come to analyzing it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, first see e4 from e4. So he started the game with e4, e5, d4 he went, I should take e into d4, he didn't took. Okay, I would, yeah, I was a little greedy in the opening. I should have gone there. Okay. Okay, this he can't go there because I will take with the knight. He can go there. If you could take, then what? Okay, I should take preserve my pawn. This take, then take with the knight. Okay, yeah, I was thinking of this possibility only. This was a possibility. Take. Okay, take with the. Okay, this was a possibility. But I went bishop c5, getting protecting this pawn. He went there. I went knight. I took it. Check, check. This was I was a little greedy. He took. I should have taken it, but I didn't. There are at this point I was a lot bad words we can say. Wow. Okay, here he was bad. Take. Here he did a mistake of giving this pawn. Here one more mistake, giving up. Okay, I should have taken this. If he takes this, check. Then what? Okay, then it would be a maiden two. No, sorry, not here. Yeah, there. Wow, I didn't saw this possibility. I went there protecting my knight. I should have taken it. If he would have taken this with a check, this, this, and then also I would be a piece up. Okay, it's good. I went there. He didn't saw this. I check, take. Yeah, I should have taken that knight with the check. I went back. Take. I was thinking in this check going there. Then it will be good for me. I would have been a pawn up. Then also. It's good for me this end game also. But if I get a knight up, then it's good. Then it's he resigned. This was also a simple game, but I got a little greedy in the opening. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button. If you like the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't like the channel, don't hit it. If you want to stay up with all the updates, all the videos, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to and change it to all notifications. Please share your views in the comment section about the videos and how was it. Check out this playlist from the only and other videos and tell me that should I continue in English language also, or should I switch back to Hindi? My 21 or 20 to 21 videos are in Hindi, and now I have started in my making videos in English. So please tell me. I am comfortable in both the languages. So this was a video. Thanks for watching. I'm going. Bye bye.